Nagluto ako ng I'm cooking potato chips. Pero ito siya guys. Itong wok na to guys. Binili ko sa Timo, cast iron. Napakaganda guys. I'm so happy and satisfied. Very good quality. Worth it. You know? Yung perang binayad mo, it's worth. Ayun guys. Itong potato, I did not cut this by using my hand. You know, with knife. No, I didn't. Very quick, guys. I also bought cutter from Timo. Potato cutter. And it's so nice. It's 40 plus, but solid. Worth it. Yung money binayad mo. Worth it. Kasi, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Napakaganda. Ito siya. Yeah, yung very fine. Thin. Fine, thin. See, look. See? Uniform. Very thin, guys. Ngayon, ito ang guys, cutter ko. Kasi, ganun mo lang. Tapos, dito sa likod, maglabas yung potato. Lagay mo dito. Then, tapos, gamit ang ito, i-push mo through this. Yan, anak, push. I-push. Then, tapos, ganun mo. Then, tapos, lalabas dito yung potato. Ngayon, nagluto akong potato chips. Ito na. Very crunchy. Kainin mo na. Wow. Paano na? Harap. Yun guys, I bought this from Timo. And this one too, the cast iron. Where's my chopstick? Yan guys. Gamitin ko lang ito guys, hindi yung wooden spoon. Ito lang chopstick. Kasi mas maganda. So yun, next video guys. Try to buy sa online shop guys. Kasi, pero maghanap ka na hindi fake. Talagang hindi ka dadayain. Ito, binili ko sa Timo to guys. Maganda guys. Hindi mahal. Medyo may kamahalan pero sulit. Satisfied ka sa quality. Okay guys, see you next video. Bye-bye!